What's up guys, my name's Alex and welcome to the Bug Out Life YouTube channel. Alright guys, as always, if you've seen my videos before, welcome back. And if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. On my channel here, we've been building this off-road sqauredrop camper from scratch. Completely DIY, I haven't done this before, so we're sort of learning as we go. In today's video, we're going to be looking at getting all of our internal wiring done inside the bedroom, mount our fans, our lights, our roof vent, all that kind of stuff. Once we've done that, we can then take all those bits off and then get this bedroom area ready for some carpet. So that's the aim of the game today. We might also get outside to the trailer frame and do our water plumbing, but we'll see how we go with that. So let's do it. Alright, so after about half an hour of working on the wiring inside the bedroom, I really wasn't happy with the solution that I came up with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that for now. I'm going to head outside, work on the water tank and all the plumbing for that. And I'm going to take the night to think about the wiring situation and come up with a better solution, and we'll start attacking that tomorrow. So let's head outside and get to plumbing some water. Put a little outlet on there, get to the inlet of the pump, and we're hooked up to power, so she should work. Boom. We got water. That's what we like to see. Alright, so it is the next day here and I've had the night to think about a solution for the wiring in this bedroom and how I'm going to run it and hide it. What I've come up with are these PVC decorative wall tiles or ceiling tiles. They're waterproof, they're light, they're easy to stick up, and they do have some negative space behind them where I could run some wiring with a few strategic cuts as well. So I think that's going to be the best option here instead of using that D-line cable management stuff, because I was mucking around with it yesterday. I'll show you sort of what I did, and it really didn't turn out very nicely. It looked quite ugly. I was going to be covering it with carpet anyway, but I think it just wouldn't have looked nice at all, and I wasn't happy with that solution. So I think these tiles will look really nice. It'll give it a bit of a 3D dynamic and be a bit of a feature in the camper. So I've ordered those. They should be here next week. So what I'll do now is get the dividing wall finished up, all the wiring behind it anyway. We'll look at doing the dividing wall, and we'll start running the cables on the roof where we want them to go. Just tape them up for now, and then once we get our ceiling tiles, we can then see what's going to work, make them fit, and go from there. So let's do it. Alright guys, so as you can hear now, we have our maxxfan roof vent running, and we have both fans going, as you can probably see, or you might not be able to see it in the video, but anyway. So it's all running. We've run the wiring just roughly with tape on the roof here. That's pretty much where I want it to be, and then when those roof tiles come, I'll see if I can sort of attach those roof tiles to the roof with this wiring underneath it, and that'll hide it all nicely. So pretty happy with that. Yeah, progress is being made. So what we'll do now is we will probably look at tidying all this up here, getting our panel on this wall here as well, and then we'll just keep going from there. So let's do it. Alright, really good news guys. I finally found the microphone I've been looking for the last few months. I got lost in the move when I moved to my new house here, and I just happened to find it in a random box hidden behind a whole bunch of other stuff last night when I was looking for something else. So really good score there, so the audio should get a lot better for my videos now, which is sweet. Anyway, moving on. So what we've done, as you would have seen, is stripped out the camper here. We took all the windows out, the roof vent, the lights, the fans, all that good jazz. What we'll do now is we will finish off cladding the dividing wall. We'll also put a little access like hatch or port in where you can access it from the kitchen, just so you can get to where the actual wiring is and where they connect, just in case you got to muck around with that. From there, we can start to look at getting this ready for carpet, which is probably the next big thing inside the camper, while we wait for those roof tiles to come. So hopefully I can get around to doing that next weekend. See how we go, fingers crossed. But I do need to get it done in the next 3 weeks because I have that festival I'm going to in about 3 weeks' time. So we'll keep moving along, we'll get that sorted, and we'll see what else we get up to. Stick around. Well, there we have it, folks. Would you look at that? Our stainless steel bench top is all glued in now, fitted in place. It's going nowhere. Slight bummer, there is a scratch in the top here already. I think it came from the shop I bought it from like that. I had a look at the film that was over top and you could see the very, very tiniest little scratch in the film there, which I didn't notice before. So that's quite a bummer, but I mean, this isn't coming out, so we're just gonna have to deal with that one, unfortunately. It's probably about 100 mil long, and it's just a thin line, so it's not the end of the world, but obviously, when you pay so much money for stuff, you want it to be perfect, but we'll move on from that, no big deal. So that's pretty much our galley fit out, totally complete now. All we have to do is just chuck our fridge in, and you know, some cutlery in the drawers, some stuff in the cupboards, and we're ready to go. So really exciting. With that being done, that's going to be an end to this video. We achieved lots in this video with, you know, doing some plumbing, fitting some stuff in the bedroom area, the wiring. We also put the foam padding underneath, so when it goes on the trailer, it's not rubbing metal on metal and doing damage. So yeah, good progress. In the next video, which will be coming very soon, it's going to be another exciting one because we're going to have the bedroom fully carpeted, and then from there we can finish assembling doors, windows, roof vents, put all the lights in, the fans in. From there it can pretty much go onto its trailer and we can start finishing up the electrical in the trailer box, and then we're ready to be using it. So making really good progress. We're nearly there. I think we're going to have this done probably in the next 2 weeks, fingers crossed, so can't wait. But with that being said, thanks so much for sticking around and watching the video if you've made it this far. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and please feel free to hit me with any questions below. Anything helps, and I'm happy to answer any of your questions. But that's it for today, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.